Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Eddie from Average Joe Drinks.
And I'm Vince, and we're here to shoot drinks suitable for the average Joe. Just like my dad intended when he spent the bulk of his life collecting drink recipes, we're gonna shoot.
We're gonna make some for you right now. And this is our third drink or so this should be fun. But this isn't one of your dad's originals, Vince. What is this?
This is called the duck fart. And I know, I have no idea where this name came from.
It's a good name.
It's a very simple drink. It's a shot. It's got 3 liquors in it. It's very strong. Whiskey, Kahlua, Bailey's Irish Cream. It's a layered drink. It's interesting to look at. It's fun to drink. And
let's talk about our spoons for layering. Because you've got 2 different kinds, right?
I've got spoons.
So this is interesting because when you're layering, like, you want something that's got this twisty spiral and you want a flat edge. So you see this one here, it's cool, but it's got a fork, right? So you can stab some olives. But the point is that the drink will flow down this spiral.
It'll slow down as it's going down the spiral.
Exactly, and instead of going straight down, this will disperse it a little bit and it should help with layering. So get yourself one of these, and if you notice mine's a little more twisty, but Vince has got more surface area, so they probably equal itself out.
That's what our women say too.
Twisty and... I have more surface area, that's for sure. I have these over here, so I'm going to start my side, Vince.
So are we dueling? Yes, here
we are dueling. I'm doing a ½ ounce each for this shot. This one's the easy one.
So when you're layering a shot, the important part is to get the thickest drink or the thickest ingredient on the bottom.
Yes, the most dense. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Because that way it floats.
And there's a chart, there's a density level where you can actually look it up, or you can see where it's at on the level of density. So that kind of helps if you're ever wanting to make a drink to know which one to do first.
And I actually chilled these. The idea being that if it's colder, it's going to be thicker. For duck fart, sorry, wrong glass. For duck fart, Kahlua is going to be the bottom layer. Kahlua, as you guys probably know, is a mixture of rum and coffee liqueur. So you can just dump that in there.
That's the easy one, right?
Yeah, wait. So okay. He's a step ahead of me. Next one, Irish cream. Bailey's does not have to be this brand, but you can do that.
And one of the things I noticed is that, like, for me, I like the little pour spout because I find it a little easier. But Vince does not, which is totally fine. You can do it however you want, but just some different ways to do it. So I'm going to start my layering, and then Vince can start his.
So what I do is I use the spoon part, put it up against the edge as close as I can. The message is that there's no wrong way to do this.
It'll taste the same, but
as long as you get it right.
But as I'm pouring, I'm lifting the top of this bottom of the spoon, just so that it kind of, I'm moving it up as the top of the drink goes up. So
clearly, Eddie's a layering master, and I'm not. So I messed mine up, so we're gonna try again.
I've just had less to drink.
And by the way, if you're watching this, Allie or Ron, this is all about you.
Yeah.
There's a whole story behind that.
I know, I was just trying to help out, and I got your back, so.
Yeah.
Whatever that means.
So I got my Bailey's on top of my Kahlua.
There's your whiskey, good sir.
So the point of layering is when you're layering a drink, you want the heaviest part on the bottom.
Yeah, the heaviest and more dense on the bottom, exactly, yep.
And from there, it's just physics.
Yeah, exactly.
So Kahlua, Irish cream, and whiskey.
I see a layer.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's not terrible.
I like it.
The Russians did worse in the Ukraine.
There's your farting of ducks.
There's a proper duck fart.
Cheers. Go team. I've never tasted a duck's butt, but that doesn't taste like it. So I mean, I would imagine. No, that's good. I think I'm glad you put the whiskey in there, because I think it'd been maybe been too sweet with just the other two. So the whiskey kind of like balances it out. So I think that's nice.
Someone. Yeah, I think we're done.
You, Diane, or what's her name? Sorry, people that were. It's for them. The story.
I'm having a hard time here. I think I'm drunk.
If you like what you've seen today, we'd ask you to do a couple things. You were already on YouTube, so might as well give it a like. You're already there.
Smash that like button.
And subscribe button if you haven't. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty exciting for us. We just want to keep going and putting out more content. And then don't forget to share.